I'm going to show you how to script an MD5 hash cracker. So you give it the word list and you give it the hash and it finds the password. So how do you write it? First we need to import hashlib. Next we need to take our inputs. Wlist equals input word list, hash to crack equals input hash. Now I need to read the file. Wlist lines equals open wlist in read mode dot read lines. Next we make our loop for I in range 0 to len wlist lines hash to comp equals hashlib dot md5 wlist lines I dot replace a new line with nothing dot encode dot hex digest. Now we need to do a comparison. If hash to crack is equal to hash to comp, print password found wlist lines I dot replace a new line with nothing and exit. Then, if it can't find the password, print password not found. So let's run that. It's asking for the word list and then the hash, and as you can see it cracks it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.